20 minutes in, and you can see, guys, look, the dough is rising. That means my yeast is still perfect to use for any types of bread, not just flatbreads. I repeat, if you have an old yeast, don't throw it away. Test it. If it's still a little bit bubbly, you can use it for flat breads, pizza crust. Don't throw it away. It's such a waste of money. Just make sure that it's inside your refrigerator all the time. See, it's rising. I'm going to give it a little bit more time here on the counter and then put it inside my refrigerator. Of course, don't forget to deflate it before you put it inside your refrigerator. Question, what's the fuss about resting the dough for another day? Why can't I just bake it? Well, if you're just looking for a regular type of bread that tastes flat, then it's okay to bake it, I guess. And why bother making it? Just buy, right? But if you want an amazing and fantastic, flavorful type of bread that doesn't only taste great but also smells amazing, then do what I'm doing. Relax your dough, rest your dough, make it a 3-day 3-day type of baking day. Make your sponge, mix it on the second day, and on the third day you finish it up, and then you bake it on the third day. That will give you an amazing type of French bread, pizza crust, focaccia, or pita bread, or ciabatta. Okay? So, because don't forget, your French bread has no flavoring at all. Also, your pizza crust and your pita. What it has is only the yeast and the salt and a little bit of sugar. It doesn't have butter or milk or a lot of egg yolks. Well, this one has egg yolks, but I normally don't put egg yolks. But since I'm giving this to my sister, I added a little bit of egg yolks. But normally, your pizza crusts or focaccias and pita bread do not have egg yolks. I just made an exception for this bread today since I'm giving it away. Okay, so look, it's rising, amazing.